Right. Everyone see, yesterday in even function and odd function, we have to stop one problem. So we are going to discuss the problems. The two problems is there. Yesterday one problem and one more problem we can complete means that is the even function part also completed. We are entering into the important CBSE syllabus part. That is the types of the functions. Okay, na? Right. Yesterday, what is the problem? I will write on the board. Everyone observe. If first everyone observe, what is the even function? The even function is f of x replaced with minus x. The total value of f of x positive, that is called even function. So x is replaced with minus x. The total f of x is the negative. Then we say that it is the odd function. The total function is the negative. The total value of f of x is the negative is called as a odd function. Is it clear, everyone? Even and odd is clear. Even and odd is clear. So everyone observe, even, this is the even function. This is the even function and this is the odd function. This is the odd function. Okay, na? This is the odd function. Everyone observe. So now I will write yesterday problem is if F is a mapping from the domain. First set is the domain. Second set is the codomain. So two codomain is the all the real numbers defined by what is the defined by f of x is equal to x square by a is the greatest integer function with sin x plus cos x is an even function, is an even function, is an even function. Then a value c, then a value e, then a value c is required. So what is the first option is given by empty set, second option is given by real set, and third option is given by 0 to 400, and fourth option is given by 400 to infinity, 400 to infinity, right? First, everyone observe, this is the theoretical problem in even and odd functions. So first, what is the theoretical part is, first f of x is the even function, f of x is a even function, this is the even function. So this is the even function is given. In this one, what is the even part? Observe. Cos of negative value is cos of minus x is the cos x by the trigonometry. So fourth quadrant, minus x means downside, negative side means clockwise, the downside cos is positive. Okay, na? So sin of minus x, downside fourth quadrant, so negative. So fourth quadrant negative. This is the graph. Upside is the positive x, and downside is the negative x. This is the positive x, this is the negative x. So negative is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative. Therefore, x is replaced with minus x. The total sin x value is the negative. Therefore, sin x is the odd function. Sin x is the odd function. So here, this is the odd function, but this is the even function. This is the even function and this is the odd function. But required in the even function is given. That means odd function make it as a 0. That means odd function make it as a 0. How can you make the odd function is 0? Mean greatest integer value is less than, so 0 point something, then automatically it will become as a 0. Okay, na? Less than 1 means 0.1, 0 point something. Its value will become as a 0. Integer is the 0. 0.009. Integer is the 0. It goes to the integer side of the left side. Okay, na? 0 to 1 in between. Left side it will go. Left side is the 0 integer. Therefore, this is, I am going to make it, this is the even function is given. That's why odd function I am going to make it as a 0. How can you make? X values are given. Domain is the always represented by the X. Elements of the domain is represented by X. Elements of codomain is represented by Y. First only I will write. Okay, na? Therefore, the X value lies between minus 22 plus 20, minus 22 plus 20 by the squaring 400 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 400. Left side, right side both are same. Therefore, x square is less than or equal to 400. Here is x square by a, x square by a. A value is above 400, its value will become as a 0 point something. 402, 403, 405. So its value is a 0 point something will come. Okay, now 0 point something means the step function will make it as a 0. Therefore, a value must be greater than 400. A value must be greater than 400, not equal to 400. Equal to 400 means 400 by 400 is a 1. Step function value will become as a 1 only, not 1. Here is a make it as a odd function, make it as a 0. The odd function making as a 0 means below 1 value is required. Therefore, this is not equal to 400. It is a greater than 400. Greater than 400 means it going to the A belongs to open interval of 400, above 400 up to infinity it will go. Up to infinity. Therefore, what option is the correct one? Fourth option is the correct one. Okay, na? Last one. I go through the last one. That is the last problem. Why cannot take x square is smaller? Array, is smaller than how can you take? Okay, na? Both side is the sandwich theorem is telling that limits sandwich theorem. What is the telling the limits is? What is the telling? Left side, right side, both are equal. It is equal to 400. Both are equal. So sandwich theorem is telling that in the limits, left side, right side, both are equal. It is equal to 400, not less than 400, not greater than 400. Here is not less than 400. X square is greater than 400. X square is less than 400. X square is greater than 400. X square is less than 400. Okay, na? Greater than 400. So see the greater than 400 means 400 to infinity and less than 400. So 400 minus infinity. Now see what is the common is 400 to 400 is the common. 400 to 400 is the common. That means 400 only. Okay, na? That is the 400 only. Once again, see, last two steps is asking. Here is, what is the last? This is the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Here is x square is greater than 400. So x square, 400 is less than x square means x square is greater than 400. X square is less than 400. X square is less than 400. So we can sandwich theorem in the limits is telling that two values in the left side and the right side. And a sandwich theorem is telling that what is the in the limit sandwich? Left side, right side, both are equal. Then it is equal to 400. It is equal to 400. So left side and the right side both are equal. It is equal to 400. So equal to 400. X square is the equal to 400. Is it clear? Left side and right side both are equal. So left side also equal value, right side value also equal means it is equal to 400. Okay, now equal to 400. Therefore, A value must be greater than 400, then only its value will become as a 0. Okay, now it is clear. The left side, right side, both are same value, right? So x less than 2, greater than 2 means x is greater than 2, x is less than 2. What value it is? Tell me. What value? X greater than 2, x less than 2. What is the value? Is 2 only. 2 only. It is never be greater than, it will never be less than at a time. So x square is a positive value. Positive value is a greater than 400. Positive value is a less than 400 mean it is exactly stop at 400 only. So okay na? So 2 never be shown. 2 inequality never be shown. So it is the only one. Therefore it is equal to 400 only. Okay na? Right. Last problem in even and odd function. Last problem is C. If f of x is an even function, if f of x is an even function, then find the values of x, satisfying the equation f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 by x plus 2. F of x plus 1 by x plus 2. Okay na? F of x plus 1 by f of x plus 2. F of x plus 1 by x plus 2. What function is given? It is an even function. Even function definition is f of minus x is equal to total value f of x. Okay na? F of x is equal to total value positive f of x. Positive f of x value is given by so what is the x place is given by x plus 1 by x plus 2. Here is given by positive x. Here is given by positive x. Now see, here is x place is given by x plus 1 by x plus 2. Here is given by positive value plus x. Okay na? So not minus x, it is given by plus x by the definition. By the definition is the even function definition is the this one. Compare this one. So x minus x place we have plus x and x place we have x plus 1 by x plus 2. Cross multiplication apply, find x value. Okay na? Cross multiplication. Now once again observe that. So x play by the even function definition is f of x replaced with minus x, then we get positive f of x. Here f of x value, here x value, both compare left and right. Here minus x place is given by x. Here x place is given by x plus 1 by x plus 2. Cross multiplication and simplify, you get the answer. X square plus 2x is equal to x plus 1. X square minus plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So compare with a x square plus bx plus c. Apply the quadratic equation formula and find out minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay na? This is the minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2 is the required answer. That's enough. Okay na? So once again see, even function definition is that this one. Given, compare, here minus x place is given by x. Here x place is given by x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now compare and simplify, you get the required answer. Okay na? Here by the comparison, minus x place we have plus x. By the comparison, x place we have x plus 1 by x plus 2. F cancel. X place we have x plus 1 by x plus 2. F cancel. Minus x place we have plus x. Okay, now? Right. Types of the functions right now. Everyone put the types of the functions. Put the types of the functions. Types of functions. First to one function. One function. One function or injective function. Injective. Another name is the injective or another name is the monomorphic function. Monomorphic function. So this is the given one have the so one function or injective function or monomorphic function. These are the three names we have for one function. Okay, na? We have three names for one function. What is the one function? First one, F is a mapping. Mapping from A to B is a function. First, it is a function. What is the function definition is? Every element of A set, every element of A set have the images. Okay, every element of A have the images. Okay, na? Every element of A have the images. Okay, na? Next one. So one injective monomorphic is the different names of the one function. Okay, na? So many one is the another name is the function, not into function. Okay, na? So F is a mapping from A to B is the first function. Function mean, so what is the function mean? Every element of A set have the images and two images never have the one pre-image. Two images never have the one image. So see the 1, 2, 3. So here is the A, B, C. Now see this is the one function. Okay, now this is the one function. So two images never have one pre-image. If two images have the one pre-image, this is not a function. A, B, C. So one have A, two have A, and three have B. It is not a function because of one image have the two pre-images. Why? This is the function, but two images never have the one function. This is not a function because of this is the function. Now see 1, 2, 3. So A, B, C, D. Okay, na? So one have two and both have. This is not a function because of not function because of two images have one pre-image. Two images have one pre-image. Okay, na? So it is not a function. Okay, na? Every element of A set have the images. Two images never have one pre-image. Then it is a function. That is the only point you should be remember. If the first function means every element of A set have the images. Two images never have one pre-image. V shape. Two images never have one pre-image. Victory symbol. Okay, now two images never have one image. That's enough. So not means it is a function. So F is a mapping A to B is a function first. Then different elements of set A has different images, same not images, different images in set B, different images in set B. So different images in set B, that is called one function. Is called one function. Is called one function. Okay, na? Is called one function. I will draw the figure. Everyone observe. What is the figure? This is the A set. A set elements are represented by X. All elements should be represented by X letter only. This is the B set. This is the B set. B set, all elements are represented by Y symbol. All elements are represented by Y symbol. A set, all elements are represented by X symbol. All elements are represented by X symbol, and by B elements are represented by Y symbol. I will take 1, 2, 3. Here is the A, B, C, D. So 1 have with A, 2 have image B, and 3 have image C. It is a 1-1 function. So different elements have not same images, different images, 1 to 1. So simple, there is a 1 to 1, 1 to 1 image. One element have the one image. One element have the one image. This is called 1-1 function. So even those are B element, no condition for B, only condition for A only. So all elements of A set have the images. Two images never have the one pre-image. Therefore, it is a function. Different elements have the different images, no equal image. Therefore, it is a 1-1 function. The type of the function is a 1-1 function. Easy for remembering is 1-to-1 relation. 1-to-1. One element, one image. One element, one image. This is the simple 1-to-1 image. Okay, na? 1-to-1 image. So, sir, I will write like this one, sir. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, and B set is the X, Y, Z. So 1 have image X, 2 have image Y, 3 have image Z. Yes, this is also correct. So this is also 1-1 function. No element is left out. Yes. The B set we cannot observe. Elements is there or elements is not there in the B set we cannot. So we can observe different elements of A set have the different images. That means one element have one image. One element have one image. Three element have one image. That's enough. It is a 1-1 function. Okay, na? 1-1 function. So 1-1 function. So 1-1 function, what is the condition for 1-1 condition for solving the problems? For working procedure. So working procedure, next number of 1-1 functions I will write. Next graph of the 1-1 function I will intimate. What is the graph of the 1-1 function? Two images are repeated, then it is not a function. Okay, na? So it is not a 1-1 function. It should be, I will draw the graph only. So graph representation also I will represent. Right. Everyone observe. So working procedure for problems. Working procedure. Working procedure. Working method. Working method for problems. Working method for problems. Okay. Working method for problems. Everyone see. What is the working method for problems? See, we take two elements for all x1 comma x2 belonging to the x elements are in A set. First set. So x1 comma x2 belonging to the A set, such that, this is the symbol of such that such that. This is the symbol of such that mean following the first one. Following the first one, such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Two images are equal. F have means image. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 is equal to x2. Two images are equal. Two elements are equal means one element have one image. Okay, na? Two images are equal means two elements are equal means one element have one image. That's enough. One element have one image. So this is the working method for. I will write one problem also. We can see how can you do the problem E. So example I will write. Everyone observe. I will write example. Check for. So f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. If f is a mapping from R to R, A set also real numbers, B set also real numbers, is 1 1 or not? Is 1 1 not? Is 1 1 or not? This is the given problem. I will check A set also. First set is the A set real number, B set also real number. I will check. Very simply we can see. What is the working method for the problem sum? Images are equal. Images are equal. What we get? Elements are inner x1 and x2 are equal. Okay, na? Right. See, first I will write f of x1 is equal to f of x2. X place is substitute x1. X is replaced with x1. X replaced with x1. 3x1 plus 5. X replaced with x2. 3x2 plus 5. X